Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who's there to protect you and has your best interest at heart. We've helped hundreds of buyers secure their dream homes over the years. There are so many pieces to purchasing a home, and if you are not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, my name is Marrache, your trusty guide and go-to source for an amazing real estate adventure. And here is the best part, I'm available. The seller has an agent representing them and their best interests, and you need one too. We are here to guide you through every phase of that transaction, from finding you the perfect home to making professional recommendations. We got you covered. We will help you discover the home and your dreams and advise you on what you should and what you shouldn't do through the budgeting process. We will assist you in making an offer and position yourself to get accepted, and even with competing offers. Additionally, we will provide tips on the best financing options, the necessary inspection and repairs, and explain what costs you are customary for the buyers and what's typical for the sellers to pay. We will also go over all the contingencies and more. We are here to hold your hand and guide you through the entire process, ensuring you make the right choices and avoid unnecessary expenses. We aim to be your support system and lifelong friend, even after handing you the keys of your new home. Please reach out and let us help you on your way to home ownership. We got you covered.